Hi everyone, this is a video on trial balance and errors. It's one of the subtopic in accounting year 10 for IGCSE. The first type of error is when your trial balance fails to balance, means there are obvious that an error has been made somewhere. So this is an obvious errors that could lead to your trial balance fails to balance. So there are five common errors that are usually highlighted with or contributed to the fail of your trial balance. First one, an error of addition within the trial balance, where when you try to calculate the items inside the trial balance, you might miscalculated it in the calculator, and that would end up having error in the balance of the trial balance itself. An error of addition within one of the ledger accounts, because we all know that the balance inside the trial balance came from the ledgers that we have prepared when we close every accounts that we've opened. So any error of calculation in the ledger itself would lead to error into the balance key in the trial balance. Entering a different figure on the credit to that entered on the debit when making a double entry in the ledger. This error came when it is obvious that you are entering it in a wrong side. You entered it in the ledger in the wrong side. The entry should be made in the credit side, however, you entered it in the debit side. Therefore, once we close the ledger, bring the balance to the trial balance, it may not give a balance, a trial balance. Making a single entry for a transaction rather than a double entry. Every transaction should have a double entry transaction being keyed into the ledger and then transferred to the trial balance. Therefore, a single entry will not balance at all the trial balance. Entering a transaction twice on the same side of the ledger will contribute to the debit or credit side having a multiple amount or a redundant amount rather than just the amount it should be.